So welcome back.
So today we are going to make coleslaw. We're going to make coleslaw two different ways, the standard vinegar way and the creamy coleslaw way. All right, so before we get started, here's a little funny story for you. So we actually planted this in our garden. Originally, we thought it was cauliflower because it was labeled as cauliflower when we bought it from an Amish nursery. However, it turned out to be cabbage, so oh well. So we're going to make coleslaw out of it. So before we get started though, here's a little joke for you. Have you heard of Murphy's Law? Whatever can go wrong will go wrong. But have you heard of Coleslaw? Oh, I mean, that's just finely chopped cabbage, right? All right, terrible. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
So to start our coleslaw, what we're going to do is we're going to take our heads of cabbage and chop them into finely chopped slices.
Wow, it says you look like an onion.
Looks like an onion?
Yeah.
That kind of look like sliced onions according to Ellie. While you're chopping the cabbage, make sure not to get too distracted by anything.
I'm almost trying to make a castle. Dun, 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 dun.
You're making a castle?
Is it pretty?
Oh, it is marvelous. And make sure you are holding the cabbage correctly. Otherwise, yep, we'll stop it right there and get this taken care of. Now that we have showed you the incorrect way, we will show you the correct way with the fingers tucked in. Once you get all that chopped up, we are going to shred some carrots.
Oh yeah.
In this case, we are shredding 4 carrots, 2 for each version. Then we are going to start the dressing of each of these. For the creamy coleslaw, we are going to add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar if you can't stand the bite of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. All right.
I like mustard.
You like mustard?
Yeah.
Sprinkle in a little black pepper and then dump 1 teaspoon of black pepper in, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to mix this all up and give it a little taste to make sure everything is tasting good.
Taste it.
You can taste it?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Then we're going to add half of our carrots we shredded earlier and about half the cabbage from earlier. Which, looking back, I know it's more than one head, but it's all good. Then we're going to mix it all together to make sure it is coated in that dressing. Then we will throw this in the fridge and let these flavors get to know each other overnight. If not overnight, I highly recommend you at least let it sit in there for about 4 hours. Next, we're going to start the dressing for the vinegar coleslaw. To start, we are going to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar or regular white vinegar, once again if you can't stand the bite of apple cider vinegar. After cleaning this spill up, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, spilling that one a little too.
I keep doing it.
Yes, you do.
So messy.
2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of celery seed. Then we're going to mix that all up. Then we're going to add our cabbage and remaining carrots, then mix that up just like the other one. And once again, we're going to throw this in the fridge for overnight, if not at least 4 hours. All right, so there we have our coleslaw. So without further ado, let's taste testing. Or which one would you like to try first?
This one.
That one? Okay, go for it.
Okay, very yummy.
So that one is very good. You do get a little bit of that mustard with the creaminess. It's not too creamy like you would get at like a KFC or something. It's actually really good. It's a nice balance between the coleslaw and the actual creaminess of the dressing on it. So would you like to try the other one? Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, that one is absolutely delicious. Just classic vinegar coleslaw. Not much to say about it. I mean, it's your typical vinegar coleslaw, absolutely delicious. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye.